Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Hawk HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Hawk HR's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in hawkhr.com and make a search. You will end up on the login page of your Hawk HR's account. Enter your email address and password associated with your Hawk HR's account and tap on login. This is how you can log into your Hawk HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.